Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, and it's certainly not toast, it's absolutely saturated. I've made up some custom colours, some really nice earthy tones. I'm yet to name them. You can take a screenshot of that if you end up liking any of the colours that I've used. I'm not going to maybe I won't use all of them, but I've just made, they're all custom colours that I'm going to use, and that's what they are. So rather than, you can screenshot it, okie doke. So I'm going to do this 40 by I think it's 45 by 55 or 50 by 55. I can't remember. Okay, this was white, and I put gold in it, and I've put a blob of metallic copper because I didn't want white. I wanted like a nice creamy, yeah, sort of. I'm happy with this colour anyway, so that's what I went with. I'm not sure if I wasn't going to paint the whole lot. Because I've got the metallic copper in here, you can really see it glistening from the metallic in the paint, so that's quite nice. I've got a bit too much than what I need, as usual. I always do that, but it's not a problem. Umber with a dash of black and a lot of gold, so it's like a graphite colour. It's very nice, I like it. So I might use some more of that paint to lay it on. I'm going to kind of do a sort of a big chevron on here, like so. Rightio, let's get a bit of this going here. And to that I'm going to add, this is the metallic copper, and I put mixed metallic pearl, so it dulled it down. The global metallic, they're all global colours. I just think these colours will go really nice together. I think after this I might actually try a floating cup pour in there. That's quite nice. And then this one is burnt umber and gold, and it makes this gorgeous caramel chocolate. Well, it's not chocolatey. It's really nice fudge looking colour, so I quite like that too. So, and the other one I would like to put in here, probably the last one, is antique. This is the antique gold, and this again was mixed with metallic pearl, like 50-50 split. And then I'll just put a bit of white in there as well. Oh, and that was it. I mixed this special colour because besides all these sort of really earthy, I thought it'd be nice to throw in. This is cool blue, and it's mixed with antique gold, metallic antique gold, so it's given it this really gorgeous shimmery effect. I only want a bit of that in there just to add another colour. See how it comes. I might end up adding a bit more. Who knows? Who knows? I've got wrong lids on everything. Rightio, I think I'm going to need definitely some more paint in here. to blow it to. I might try and blow that out so it's a little bit more even, or actually I could just do it with the sponge brush again, just very lightly, so it keeps all the paint on the canvas, but it just spreads it out evenly. Sometimes you can get it and it will dry completely flat, it just absorbs into the canvas, so it's not too bad. Might look bad at first when you first leave it, but the paint usually absorbs into the canvas. Right, let's give this a little bit of heat with the heat gun. Just feeling that I might just put some white on the outer sides. Let's see what it goes. Beautiful. Oh, that's so nice. I'll just blow some of this stuff out. The creamy. That's really lovely colours together. There. I think I just need to do something with that, but those colours are just beautiful. Just beautiful. I don't want to stick my big head in and try and blow bits, because I'm going to end up getting my boobs in it and my hair in it. Maybe I'll put that on low, maybe I can. Oh, lovely. That is gorgeous, actually. It kind of, it's very sort of, what would you explain it to be? I don't know, it's very nice. I like it, and I'm not one for these particular colours. I love them, but you know, I like my bright colours. I know that some of you'll freak, but this is what makes it mine. So just to, oh, that is gorgeous. Just to me, it makes it mine, it softens it a little bit more. So just get a little balloon that I've put some water in. It just is always easier to grip. A little bit of weight in the balloon. You can do some little rolls and swirls. See, it just makes it yours. It doesn't look like everybody else's chaos blow or Dutch pour or whatever you call it these days. It's yours. Rightio. That is gorgeous. I'm very happy with that. So that's all it has to please is you. Just putting me. Those are so pretty. Should I? Yes, you should. You've got to do what your heart desires, especially in this world and this times, because you've got to try and live your life for yourself. I mean, of course, for your family, but I mean, when it comes to something that you're doing as a therapy or a pastime, you've got to do it for you. What makes you happy? That is stunning. I absolutely love those colours. I'm really happy with that. I think that would look gorgeous on a big canvas. So what do you guys think? It's not much to it, but it is certainly pretty. I think it's gorgeous, and that's all you've got to prove. Please, is yourself. So my lovelies, please take care. Please join me tomorrow. I'm here every single day. If you haven't joined, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing. I am happy to do this for you and with you. So okay, bye for now.